What have you knights done to the captain and Diane? Bantu, I guess. Fine then. I'll go check on them myself. Oh, and just so we're clear, if you two get in my way again... Let people finish when they're talking. He blew that high so quickly? If you two try to get in my way again, I'll end you. Spirit Spear Chastity-ful, 4th configuration. Sunflower.
His name